Hello everyone, it's Georgia here today at the Shoes of Hollywood store, and I have a really cool pair of shoes to show you. So this is in the style FLAMINGO-801. There's the code there if you want to purchase it for yourself. Now these are an 8-inch heel again, which for me is still a little bit scary, but I think I'm getting much better. I'll tell you guys this though, that's the shoe, and as you can see this one has no ankle strap, which is a lot more scarier than the ones with the strap, just because it is a little bit less secure, but I find if you take your time and concentrate, then you'll get the hang of it eventually. So I'll get the other one out so we can talk a bit more about it. So there we have it. So this is, like I said, it's clear all around, so the heel and the platform as well as the plastic upper, all clear. It's got the grip again on the bottom, which makes for a bit more of a stable walk. And then it has the cushioning for support on your foot. So now, as you guys know, with the plastic heels, they can be a little bit tricky to get on. But a bit of a tip is to, if you just massage it down and stretch it a little bit with your fingers, the warmth should be able to stretch it. But if you want to save some time, just hit it with the hairdryer. So I'm just going to put it on now. There we go, and this shoe fits me really well. This is in the size 6. So I'm just going to do the same with the other one, just stretching it slightly. So it fits really easy. So there we have it. That is the shoe. I think it really is a beautiful shoe. It will be quite daunting to walk in though, so let's go. Now, I'm just, like I said, slow and steady. And let's give it a walk. Now there they are. I think I'm doing much better than last time I tried on shoes like this one. And I think that they are quite comfortable. You just need to work your way into it. And they make you feel really confident. So, let's go. I'm going to sit down on this chair and show you guys the shoes a little bit closer. That is them. Now they just have the clear platform, the plastic upper, and the clear heel. A really simple and basic shoe, but I think it's an essential in your wardrobe. Like I said again, these are 8 inches, so a little bit scary, especially without the ankle strap. But we're getting there, and I am getting much more better than when I first started. So let's head outside, and guys, it is pouring down rain today, but I did want to go outside just so the cameraman can get a bit drenched, but to also show you guys the shoes. So this is them. Let's head. Okay guys, we're heading outside. And as you guys may be able to see and hear, it is pouring down today, but we're doing this just for you. So let's go for a quick walk in our 8-inch heels. Good thing I have my umbrella today, guys. So again, I'm taking it nice and slow and steady in these heels. The good thing is, because these are all plastic, these ones are fine to wear in the rain. They will not be damaged. Okay, so here they are. The clear 8-inch heels. Now, I think we need to get out of this rain as soon as possible, so let's head back inside, guys. Again though, taking it nice and slow and steady. And watching where you're walking is very important. If you guys want to see more reviews just like this one, be sure to subscribe to the Shoes of Hollywood YouTube channel. Okay, we are out of the rain and finally under cover. So I'll put my umbrella down But I'll show you guys these shoes for the final time. The clear 8-inch heels, definitely not 5-inch. They are way taller. Did you guys know that these shoes actually make me 6'5", which is huge. So let's head back inside out of the rain. So I'll do a final walk for you guys. Here we are. Now I am starting to get a little bit more comfortable in the 8-inch heels without the straps, which is really good. I think with lots of practice I'll definitely get there eventually. Let me know in the comments below how you guys think I went. So I'm going to walk over here and we'll have a further chat. Okay, so let's sit down. Now, like I said, I have not walked in heels like this before really, without the ankle strap, so it is a bit harder. And I must say, once the rain got in there, it did slide around a little bit, which made it a bit more difficult. So if you guys it's a raining night, I would say maybe steer clear for these shoes. But if it's sunny like it usually is here, these are really cool. So I'll just put them here. And guys, thank you so much for watching again. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave me a comment below how you think I went. Thank you so much.